Hello, my name is Anthony Romanolo, and this is my demo of the Romulon token exchange. So essentially, I made my own cryptocurrency coin, and I also made the exchange portion of it, so the UI visual. I made my own smart contracts. I made a token contract, and I also made the exchange contract. And then I made a migrations contract so I can switch networks and also just join a network in general. I used Ganache for testing blockchain, and it gave me a bunch of accounts, which I am able to use on this exchange. I could connect with it on MetaMask. Right now, I'm on the Kovan test network, and I have that first and second account on here, and I'm able to actually have them communicate with each other. You can see here some orders that were filled in transactions, and I can actually go and view these guys on Etherscan, and we can actually see the transaction. It's a Kovan test transaction. But it's still cool that I am able to, communicate, and it gets published to a test blockchain. And you can see the account, pops up right here. So, we're able to buy orders and fill them out that are sitting here on the exchange. I actually, should have showed this before. I actually went and seeded the exchange already, just because it takes a little while, and this is seeded on the Kovan network. I also went and seeded on my regular test network, which I'll show you in a second. But so I was able to actually make a bunch of orders. We can buy and fill them. When you do a trade, it pops up here. We could do a sell order. The price chart, we're having a lot of activity now over here. If we wanted to, actually, I'm not going to deposit ETH on this account. I'm actually going to switch over to my, just so, because you can see I have a very low amount of each ETH actually. If I go on my private network, I'm rich. But so now on my private network, you can see I have $97 in my wallet. There's 2 in the 97 ETH in the wallet, and there's 2 in the exchange. I'm just going to deposit 1 ETH. Connects to MetaMask. And then we could see there should be now 3 in the exchange and 96 here, and there is. We can try to get some Romulon tokens. Let's deposit 700 Romulon tokens. Yes. And we can see those tokens enter the exchange. If we want to create an order, we can. Let's say we want, 1,000 Romulon tokens, and we're going to buy them for 0.1 Ether. So we're going to spend a total of 1 Ether on some Romulon, and we can make that order. And then, that'll pop up in our order book here. We can actually fill that guy out. And then we can see it pop up in our trades. Now with like the seeded orders that are made with this account, I can actually go ahead and cancel some orders too if I wanted. Oopsie. And it cancels it. And yes, that is basically all the functionality of my exchange. I can buy and sell. We can deposit, withdraw. I'm able to connect on MetaMask, and I can also publish my transactions on the Kovan test network on a real life blockchain and actually see the orders and transactions, which is pretty cool. So that's basically all I got. All right. Oh, and oops, that's not all I got. I wanted to mention how I made this guy. I actually used React and Redux because Redux is a really great tool. It has a store where I can smoothly, distribute all my data throughout the whole entire app. I'm using React because I have components, and I'm using Bootstrap CSS. I'm using like little styling cards for everything like that. Using, Moment for time. I use Solidity and Web3 to make my smart contracts and the testing for my smart contracts. Yeah, and that's about it. All right. That is all I got for you, YouTube. Thank you for your time.